Welcome to our video on the differences between an online and an offline college degree. Today, we'll explore various aspects of both modes of education, including duration, mode of teaching, credibility, job prospects, and other relevant details. So let's dive in. An online degree refers to a program of study that is completed primarily through virtual platforms and digital resources. It allows students to pursue higher education and earn academic qualifications without being physically present on a traditional campus. Online degrees leverage technology to deliver course materials, facilitate interactions, and create a virtual learning environment accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. On the other hand, an offline degree, often referred to a traditional or on-campus degree, involves attending classes physically at a brick-and-mortar institution. Students engage in face-to-face interactions with professors and peers, participate in classroom discussions, collaborate on projects, and have access to campus facilities such as libraries, laboratories, and extracurricular activities. The mode of interaction is a crucial aspect that distinguishes online and offline degrees. Offline degrees foster direct human interaction, enabling students to engage in face-to-face discussions, debates, and collaborative projects. This physical presence facilitates a vibrant learning community where students can forge lasting connections and benefit from immediate feedback from professors and peers. In contrast, online degrees rely on virtual platforms to facilitate interactions. Students engage in discussions through online forums, participate in video conferences, and collaborate on virtual projects. While this mode of interaction may lack the immediacy of face-to-face communication, it offers the advantage of global connectivity and the ability to engage with a diverse community of learners from various backgrounds. Numerous reputable universities around the world now offer online degree programs. Institutions like Harvard University, Stanford University, MIT, University of London, IIT Madras, OP Jindal, Amity University, and many others have embraced online education and provide high-quality degree programs. These universities ensure that their online offerings maintain the same rigorous standards as their offline counterparts, offering students an opportunity to earn a degree from renowned institutions regardless of their physical location. One significant difference between online and offline college degrees is the duration. Offline degrees typically follow a structured timeline where students attend classes on campus for a set number of years. On the other hand, online degrees offer greater flexibility, allowing students to complete their coursework at their own pace. This flexibility can result in shorter or longer completion times, depending on individual circumstances. Credibility is a crucial consideration when choosing between online and offline degrees. Traditional brick-and-mortar universities have long established reputations and often carry a higher level of credibility among employers and academia. Online degrees, however, have become increasingly recognized and accepted by employers as technology has advanced and online education has gained popularity. It's important to note that accreditation plays a crucial role in determining the credibility of an online degree. Choosing an accredited institution is essential to ensure the value and recognition of your online degree. Accessibility is another key aspect to consider. Offline degrees often require students to be physically present on campus, limiting their options to universities within their geographical proximity. Online degrees break down geographical barriers, allowing students to choose from a wide range of institutions worldwide. This opens up a vast array of opportunities for individuals who may not have access to traditional universities or prefer the flexibility of studying from their own location. When it comes to job prospects, employers are increasingly recognizing the value of online degrees. While some industries may still favor traditional degrees, many employers now consider online degrees at par with offline ones. What matters most is the quality and relevance of the education received, coupled with practical experience and skills. As online learning becomes more prevalent, job markets are adapting to this shift, leading to greater acceptance of online degrees. Apart from the major differences mentioned, it's important to note that online degrees often require self-discipline and time management skills, since students have greater control over their study schedules. Additionally, the cost of online degrees can vary significantly depending on the institution, program, and geographic location. It's crucial to research and compare tuition fees, financial aid options, and scholarships to make informed decisions. In conclusion, both online and offline degrees offer unique advantages and cater to different learning preferences. The choice between the two ultimately depends on factors such as individual circumstance, desired flexibility, accessibility, and the value placed on face-to-face interactions. Remember, regardless of the path chosen, the pursuit of knowledge remains a transformative and empowering journey.